I'm very thankful my Kunkoli constituency people kept faith on me and given me 7 members. By knowing the work what I had done in Kunkoli constituency. I always believe one thing in my life. When I was elected first time from Benauli constituency, I was UGDP, I got a ticket. And I sat Benauli constituency against Congress party. And that time 17 ministers were there. 17 ministers and Joki and Chachilalema. The fight took place, but people never forgotten me. They elect me 1,800 votes. When I am not from Kunkoli, and I am very grateful, thankful to Mario Moraes, who is the man who take me. I have only 3-4 people with me. Babasis was not there with me first term, but second term he was with me. And one Savio and August Revelo. I'm very grateful to them. They are not there with me, one fellow, but I can't forget the olden days. People elected me in Kunkoli without going from Varka to Kunkoli because they had a faith on me. And therefore they elected me. Second term, I was the highest. I had won by 18 MLA of Congress party. I was the highest lead where Kunkoli people given me. I cannot forget my constituency people, and they know what I had done for 10 years, and therefore today I am with my new panel here to develop the work in Kunkoli constituency. Yes, a lot of people were waiting whether to see Joki Alema panel is winning. Yes, Kungolkar had given me mandate and they want me back.